Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Here's a harsh truth about solar operations. Most operators are drowning in metrics that don't matter. Your SCADA system is collecting thousands of data points. Voltage here, current there, temperature everywhere, efficiency, degradation, soiling, clipping, harmonics, power factor, reactive power. And at the end of the month, you look at your performance ratio and think, is that good or bad? The average farm hits 78.6% PR. You're at 79%. Congrats, you're above average. But is your farm actually healthy? Are your technicians deployed efficiently? Will you hit your revenue targets? Can you reduce O&M costs without sacrificing reliability? You don't know, because PR doesn't tell you. This is the KPI framework problem. Most solar operators track the wrong 15 metrics instead of the right 4. Today, I'm showing you the 4 metrics that actually predict whether your solar farm will succeed or fail, and how to track them like the best operators do. These aren't random. They're based on research from McKinsey, Deloitte, Solar Power Europe, and real data from billion-dollar portfolios. Organizations that rigorously track financial KPIs are 20% more likely to achieve their financial targets. But here's the insight. They don't track 50 metrics. They track 3 to 5 carefully chosen ones. The reason is simple: correlation versus causation. When you track 50 metrics, they're usually correlated. If your PR drops 2%, soiling probably increases. If availability declines, maintenance hours probably increase. You're measuring the same underlying problems 10 different ways, but a well-designed KPI framework measures different dimensions of a single underlying question. Is my farm healthy and generating optimal revenue? There are exactly 4 dimensions that matter. Performance quality: how efficiently does your equipment convert sunlight to electricity? Operational reliability: how often is your farm actually available to produce power? Operational cost: are you spending too much to maintain this reliability? Workforce efficiency: are your technicians deployed effectively? Each dimension needs one primary KPI that answers that question definitively. Performance ratio, PR, is your quality score: how efficiently your system converts available sunlight into electricity. I know I've talked about PR before, but it deserves repetition because it's the most important metric and most operators misinterpret it. What good PR looks like: most operators know their farm PR. What they don't know is how that PR compares to expectations given their climate, age, technology, and current maintenance. The benchmark question: what should your PR be? Let me give you the formula. If you're hitting 82.5%, you're exactly where you should be. If you're at 75%, you've got 7.5 points of unexplained underperformance, which might be PID, let ID, undetected faults, or calculation errors. The key insight: PR is useful only when you compare it to your expected PR. That comparison reveals whether you have actual performance problems or if you're just paranoid. Pro tip: track PR at multiple levels: farm level, inverter level, string level. When farm-wide PR looks good, but inverter-level PR is scattered, some at 88%, others at 65%, you've found your problem. Not a systematic issue, but concentrated failures. Availability measures what percentage of time your farm could and should be producing power. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot: smart device, smarter decisions.